Another Volkswagen Golf is coming out from the line, final line here. Of course, a lot of robots carrying goods. Guys, we have arrived to Volkswagen car factory. Here is in Foshan. We just take a kind of car to head to the main department where they're gonna meet us. This is all the factory. Very nice to be here. Weather a little bit rainy, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna be inside the factory. Look at this car. Wow, so good. That is the ID.6, I guess. I'm just taking the golf cart. The area is huge. This is our. We have just arrived to the main hall where we start our tour. So keep in touch. I will show you all around. It is showing how.
它是一卷卷的，像卫生纸一样的一个钢坯，然后输送到冲压车间，然后通过这个冲压模具和冲压设备，把它冲压出各种车身的零部件。车身的一个零部件。
So in this area, they are showing the videos starting from the very beginning of the car process, showing one by one how the cars are being assembled, how the car parts are being welded, they are connected together, and in the end, in the last video, we have seen that the cars are coming out. They are just coming out ready, and they are ready to be tested. The wheels and then everything can be tested after all. So this is how it works. So this is the first hall we were in. Then we're just heading forward to see some other halls there. Yeah, tomorrow there is a big exhibition in Beijing city. So this is a model that they're just showing here. They're gonna show in Beijing Auto Show. This is a very good chance for international car dealers to visit Beijing Auto Show and to get the contracts with them. Yes, very good. Yeah, this is the 7 models are being made here. The ID7 Vision, 4 Cross, Audi Q4 e-tron, ID6 Cross, Audi Q2L, MQB, Volkswagen, and MQB. Another one, it's the T-Roc. One is the Golf, and one is the T-Roc. These 7 models are being made here. The small museum of the car history, how the car started, how they just make it happen, how the step-by-step developing the company, and how they just started to make these big factories. It's a very nice one, guys. So look at this. This is a very famous Chinese lion. This is a very famous Chinese lion that is made as a Volkswagen. Check this out, guys. This is very impressive. Look this. And here they have story of different models here with the real samples. They are real with the opening doors and so. And they are just telling story how this or that model started. And it's a very nice one. It's a very famous lion. It's very impressive, guys. I'm so surprised to see this. So after the museum, we are visiting to see some auto parts and how the culture is developing and what kind of models, what kind of attributes and accessories are possible there. Look at that. These are real models and they are for selling, I guess. A very nice one, look at that. There are smaller and bigger possible options there to be bought. This is the Volkswagen ID car that we usually buy for export. Bigger and smaller cars here. A very nice view. And this is showing how the culture was developing and how the culture is developing. They have different kinds of options from here, the keychains for Audi, for Volkswagen. Here they have different kinds of bikes, Audi and Volkswagen brand bikes. These are for kids. Bags. Here they have some t-shirts with Audi brand. It's very nice to be here. Audi, it's a tent where you just go for camping. Check this out, there's some umbrellas and then everything here. This is a very good part of the factory. When you're visiting, they are showing you some kind of accessories, possible accessories here. And this is a coffee shop. You can buy a coffee here. So welcome to visit. I guess this worth visiting here. They're gonna give you coffee here. We have also got a coffee. We're waiting for our coffee to be done. At this part we have a puzzle, let's say, from car parts, from the backlights to the wheels. And it shows the very nice picture of the car being collected. And it's very unique way, and there is a steering wheel. Even there is a steering wheel. If we just touch, it's a real one. So unique. I have never seen these kind of things before. I have been living in China for the last 9 years, and I visited so many car dealerships, so many big showrooms, but this is a very unique one, I guess. The showroom around and a very nice coffee here. Now we're heading to the bus. I guess we are leading to another part. We have met some Algerian friends here.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. French friends. Hi everyone. Welcome to China, guys. Well, I guess some of them are not the first time in China, and that's very nice. We're all here taking a very nice trip around and getting acquainted to each other.
This is the best Armenian dealer.
Thank you.
If you want cars, goods, this is the best.
Thank you. Yeah. Actually, we just do a lot of things from China, especially cars. I will try to share as many videos from China as possible. Lining up here, I guess this is a place where we're gonna see the factory. Here there are engineer faces on a car. You can see they're just making car parts here. You can see some parts here. How big is this area? They are welding, preparing some car parts here. This is very huge, guys. This part is very huge. You can see a car here, up, and we can see robots making the cars. This is the exact Golf car there. Golf car. Wow. This is how it works. Goes high and brings another one from there. It brings them down. The robot, this is a robot that is carrying things from one part to another. These are the car parts, spare parts. The line is going there. The upper part is coming, and then they just take down the Golf. It's going on a conveyor line, and we can see people are collecting some parts and putting the missing parts one by one till in the end it comes out the ready car. On this side we can see also a kind of line coming there. They are using robots to put all the parts together. Look at that. It's so crazy, guys. I've never seen these kind of things here. Here are the spare doors, front doors, back doors. They are just coming, and the workers are putting those together. And here we can see the robots. They are welding and connecting the last four parts of the car. Hi, hello. They are just waving us, saying hi, welcome to Volkswagen factory, guys. Welcome to Volkswagen factory. This is the first time I'm visiting Volkswagen factory. Before we have been visiting some other factories here for making the car parts especially, but not the whole cars. And it's a very interesting experience to be here. You see, this is a huge factory there, and here is a huge factory here, and something is going on the second floor. So huge, and the robots are delivering the goods here. Check it out. This is the process. The robot is taking the wheel from there, putting on the car chassis, the back one, and this is the front one, and then with the human help they are just making it tight, making it safe, so it will continue the process. And on each step they are putting something on the car. So here they just put wheels. Look, the cars are coming from down without any wheels there. And here they put the wheels, then later they put something more and something more. In the end of this line, look at how long this line is going. In the end of this line they are getting ready car to be tested before releasing from the factory. There the cars are coming from the second floor. So here the cars are being tested. They are just, we can see the testing procedure for the cars. They are just testing the electronic parts. They are diagnosing the cars and then everything after that. And there, exactly where the cars are going out from the line. Look at this one. This is a ready car already. This is where your favorite golf cars are coming out. Not only golf cars. This is a T-Roc. A nice T-Roc is coming out from the line, finalized, ready to be tested, ready to be exported, released from the factory. This is a T-Roc, the last model T-Roc 300. After releasing from this point, they are going to the testing process. You can see there, they are just checking all the electronic components. Is it right or not? They are checking the speed, checking the absorbers, wheels, everything before releasing from the factory. So the car is being prepared fully tested, fully quality assured to be released. We're heading to the other part. Here we can see they are being tested. This is the testing area, and this is the final line where the cars are being exported from the conveyor. They are just being out of the conveyor here. This area is where the cars are being tested. There exactly. All the models are going different kind of quality assurance and testing procedures to make sure that the cars are well prepared. And here on the second floor, from the second floor, the cars are coming down. They are coming down, going on this line till the end, where they are putting the components inside. This is where exactly all the Volkswagen cars we export coming out from here. This is the T-Roc. In front of that there is a Golf car. There have also kind of Audi production in this factory, Audi Q2L and Audi Q4. So this is the exact conveyor lines. You can see it's so huge, guys. 2 floors. They are just going up to 2 floors.
Check the price of it.
Check this out, guys. These cars are being already released. They have the interior sound parts installed, absorbers, and the engine is installed there. And it's heading on the second floor there, going to the other line next to it to put other components, so the car will be finalized step by step. Of course, a lot of robots carrying goods from one part to another. This is a robot singing to pay attention so you will not get hit by a robot. Another Volkswagen Golf is coming out from the line, final line here. And you can see huge capacity of production here. At least one car every minute is coming out from the conveyor. And here is the testing process going on here. Check this out. They are just connecting these cars to the electronic system, checking all the electronic parts. and after that they just getting ready to release it. This is the other side of the factory where the cars are being tested and they are being released. Here we're gonna see the showroom of different parts of the car. We have the exact parts hanging on the threads and how the cars are being made. So the rims, wheels, all the interior parts, the absorbers, the back axles and so. Check this out, guys. This is new ID.7 Vision. We have different parts here. This is the new ID.7 car of Volkswagen being made here in China, and he's fully produced here, and all the parts, interior parts, are hanging here, and they are just showing how it is made. The back bumper, the interior parts, the trunk, the headlights, and then everything here. This part we have ready cars. The half part of another car is being shown here, and we can see the batteries here. We can see the motor here, motor and the electric parts, components with absorber, and we can see the back motor here, and we can see the electronic parts and the battery. The most important and most crucial part of the car is the battery and the charging ports, of course. This has two charging ports, the fast one and the slow one. This is the original charger that comes with the Volkswagen cars. This is the slow charger for home use. You can check this out. This is called GBT head. GBT head. This is usually 7 kilowatt charger coming with the ID cars. Many cars we exported, we just put this kind of charger inside. This is the battery with the sections. If the battery is big, like a wide range battery, here are more sections, 8 to 10 sections. Here they are just showing how it is being tested, exactly what kind of test and what kind of quality assurance is passing before putting on a car. They're just showing here how the motor is inside. They're just cut open. A lot of copper we can see inside, and the electric controller there. This is the final car after all this. This is ID.4 Cross Pro. This is the car where the Pro version, that is back wheel drive, and before they had a Prime version which is 4-wheel drive. This is how it looks like inside. We have seen it so many times. This language has English built in. It has the sunroof, panorama, or how it is called, and everything is very good, guys. So here we can see this has 300 kilometers of driven already. Very nice one. This is the back part, the sunroof. This is how we make. We have just visited Volkswagen factory here in Foshan. This factory is fully automatically building the cars and exporting to a wide range of countries from here. They are making both electronic cars and making the gasoline cars, and they are making the Audi and Volkswagen cars here. Very nice, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Here I share a lot of things from China, a lot of factory information from China. Let's go.